Let's start question number second of exercise 19a. Question is find the missing measurement. Here, see, two sides are given to us and we have to find the third side. Okay, perimeter is also given to us. How we find the third side if the perimeter and two sides are given to us? See, we know that perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter होता क्या है? Sum of all sides. Here I have given names to these sides. This is side 1, this is side 2 and this is side 3. Okay, so what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Okay, side 1 is given to us 7 centimeters, side 2 is also given to us 9 centimeters and side 3 we have to find out and perimeter is given to us 21 centimeter. Perimeter भी हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? 21 centimeter दिया हुआ है. Okay, so this will be 21 centimeters is equal to, we add up these two figures, 7 plus 9 is 16 plus side 3. Now how we find third side? We will subtract 16 from 21 to get the third side. Side 3 will be 21 centimeters minus 16 centimeters. हम करते क्या हैं? Given sides के sum को perimeter में से minus कर देते हैं to get the missing side. Okay, if we have to find the missing side, what we do? We sum up the given sides and after that we subtract from the perimeter of the figure. And here I have subtracted the sum of the given sides from perimeter to get the missing side, and 21 minus 16 is 5 centimeters. So your side 3 is of measure 5 centimeters. Okay, this is A part of question number second. Now let's start B part. In B part, this figure is given to us and we have to find this missing side. Okay, see, here I have given names to these sides. This is side 1, this is side 2, this is side 3, this is side 4 and this is side 5. And what will be the perimeter of this figure? Perimeter will be sum of all sides. So perimeter will be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5. So what is the length of side 1? Side 1 is of measure 40 meters, side 2 is of measure 50 meters, side 3 30 meters, side 4 35 meters and side 5 we have to find out. Okay, and perimeter is also given to us 200 meters. Perimeter भी हमें दिया हुआ है 200 meters. Now how we find the missing side? First of all, we add up all the sides, all the given sides, and after that we will subtract this sum from perimeter. Okay, to get the missing side we will subtract the sum of the given sides from the perimeter. After adding we will get 155 meters. 40 plus 50 is 90, 90 plus 30 120 and 120 plus 35 is 155, and fifth side we have to find out. So how we will get the fifth side? We will subtract this sum from the perimeter. So this will be 200 meters minus 155 meters. Okay, and after subtracting we will get 45 meters. So length of fifth side is 45 meters. Okay, so this is B part of question number second. Now let's start C part. See, in C part we have to find the length of this side. All these sides are given to us and we have to find the length of this side. Perimeter is also given to us 600 meter, and we know that perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay, to get the missing side we add up the remaining sides and subtract the sum from the perimeter. So this will be, perimeter is 600 meters, S1 is 100 meters, S2 is also 100 meters, S3 is 100 meters, S4 is 100 meters, S5 we have to find out, and S6 is 100 meters. Okay, so after adding what we will get? This will be 500 meters. And S5 we have to find out. Now we will subtract this sum from the perimeter to get the missing side. So this will be 600 meters minus 500 meters. So this is equal to 100 meters. So what will be the length of missing side in this figure? The length of the missing side is also 100 meters. Okay, so this is question number second of exercise 19A.